Imagine in the non-distant future, you are inside a self-driving car reading your science magazine when something pops up in the car's dashboard. Robotic systems are revolutionizing a wide variety of industries, including manufacturing, transport, and even healthcare. However, many ingredients that are essential for robotics in the real world are not yet technologically ready for use. For instance, when a PC is hacked, the consequences typically remain virtual or economic. But when the vulnerability of a robot is exploited, there can also be direct physical consequences. The field of robot safety research started based on the idea that a robot could potentially bring harm to its environment and to humans if strict rules and measures were not followed. In the automotive sector, safety devices such as cages, kill switch mechanisms, and intention recognition methods were developed over the years to keep humans safe inside factories. Nowadays, robotic technology is being quickly diversified and utilized in new sectors. More powerful robots will become just another basic household item. But to keep ourselves safe, we urgently need to overcome the misconception that robot safety is only about preventing a robot from harming its environment. Research is beginning to show that hacked robots can be reprogrammed to manifest unwanted or even dangerous behaviors. Although these robots are safe when isolated, they are not secure in an open environment. Blockchain technology commonly refers to a decentralized cryptographic ledger where transactions between agents are recorded. It is expected to revolutionize fields such as finance, governance, and law. Blockchain technology is a versatile collection of tools and principles that could be used to secure data sharing, secure data logging, and obtain knowledge from analyzing the trail of transactions. A group of researchers has already built the first robotic systems based on blockchain smart contracts. They were able to establish secure coordination of a group of robots. Bad bots, programmed with misleading information, were successfully self-neutralized by the robots themselves without human intervention. During the experiments, scientists concluded that robots could temporarily be misled by compromised peers, but that they could always undo their misinformed actions by analyzing and reverting the trail of transactions. The robots had to prove their integrity to their peers instead of blindly relying on each other. The robots can now tell you, "Don't show me your data, but prove to me that you have it." Of course, blockchain technology might not be the correct security solution for all robot systems, and more research is needed. But we all expect new ways for people, machines, and organizations to communicate and share information. What should we do to prevent robots from causing harm? How do we generate technology that allows us to trust robots and allow robots to trust us?